Landwirt.com, the online marketplace for agriculture.
The Landwirt.com film crew is in Fronstein, Upper Austria, in the heart of Kalkalpen National Park today. And we are visiting Stefan Edbauer. Hello Stefan, hello Denise. Stefan, we are visiting you for a special reason. You have a fantastic invention that you would like to show us today. What is it about?
When we took over the business 15 years ago, we started thinking about tires because we have very little humus layer and we wanted to do something good for the soil. We improved the mental tire.
We can see it in the background as well. You developed a product that now also has the name Roundgrip. How did that come about? We
have very rocky soils with very little grass cover in our Kalkalpen National Park. And of course, we have a lot of areas that can't be managed in the usual way, where you have to work by hand and with a sickle mower. And especially in this rocky area, it's very difficult to work with conventional tires, whether rubber tires or spiked tires.
Especially in such wet autumn weather like we have today, the advantage of metal tires is that no dirt sticks to them. What are some other advantages, especially regarding the humus layer?
Compared to current flexible spiked tires, our tires have much less weight and also require less driving power. We have a different geometry that aerates the soil during rolling without destroying the turf. And unlike spiked tires, we do not penetrate too deeply into the soil. So basically our tires work with depth limiters. The humus layer is basically perforated and gets a pattern. Of course, that promotes water absorption and aeration as well. It also strengthens the turf because they are the walking surfaces for us. They cover all surfaces and as a result, they are extremely wear resistant. That also makes it perfect for driving on hard surfaces like roads without getting damaged.
Which companies are now involved in the production of Roundgrip?
So we proudly manufacture within the local economy. We really produce within a radius of 30 kilometers, working with several family businesses. The surface hardness, in our case, is actually generated by thermal cutting. So anyone who sees the tire and is a metal worker will, of course, also see that it is thermally cut. But we have looked into this very carefully, and as pretty much the only ones on the market, we deliberately use the cut, hardened surfaces. And we also have a patent on that.
You have also founded a company that now sells this Roundgrip tire. Where can you find info about that?
Our company is Innovation Farm. You can easily find it online at roundgrip.it or innovationfarm.at. And if you don't find what you're looking for, of course, we'd be happy to help. We're always happy to receive an email and a specific inquiry about which specialty area we should cover additionally.
Thank you, Stefan, for presenting your Roundgrip tires. It sounds exciting. Dear viewers, if you're interested, Roundgrip tires are not only available for bar mowers, but in the future they will also be available for many other machines. And if you're interested, feel free to contact Stefan Edbauer directly or just visit his website.